What is up, guys? Timmy Cat here, and we're doing a new Bad Force series. In this series, I'm just going to be doing a challenge series, where I just make up these random challenges and just see how far I can get with them. In this challenge, I'm going to be doing a pistol-only challenge case. No guns, no gadgets, no vehicles or anything. And we're going to be playing in, let's see. Let's try in Team Deathmatch. So that's pretty much how I can get kills. It's pretty much I can use pistols. And that's all going to be for this episode. And I'd like for you guys to come up with some challenges too for me to try. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's see how far I can get with this. And I lost connection. That's great. I hate that. Sometimes I do, but I only hate it when it crashes on me. Which I guess I shouldn't be playing this time. Alright, let's hope it doesn't happen again. Oh yeah, you guys noticed the glare is finally gone. The glare is now out. There's gonna be no more glare anymore. Why do I keep losing connection? You know what? Let's just. I guess we're going to go on Conquest. I ride in the vehicle, so I can't kill any of them in the vehicle though. Because Conquest is such a huge map, it won't take forever to get point A to point B just on foot. Eventually I'll get a better camera. So I'm not going to be killing anybody while in the vehicle. I'm still only using pistols pretty much. I'm just going to wait till we get somewhere. I'm not going to shoot. I'm just going to use pistols, so just using it just to get a ride. Alright, this is good. So let's switch to our pistol. Uh-oh. Alright, let's go to B. Actually, we can take this. Let's get safe. Alright, we don't seem to be doing better now. Whoa. I think that was weird. we better get in there before it leaves us. Now, I'm not going to be able to take down the thing. Because remember, we're going to get pistol on the challenge, so. That would be impossible. Alright, this is good. I might even try doing this on a hardcore server, so people won't be able to see my name. Someone's leaving that. Great, I can't even take it. Whatever. I'm on the radar. Alright, there's someone up there, or right there. Not sure what happened to him. Alright. Oh, he's still up there, okay. Let's just climb up the ladder and get him. Hopefully he doesn't alright, he's like looking right this way. Alright, his back is turned. And he jumps off. That's nice. And great, another dog. Where is he? I know he's not on that roof. He can't be. He has to be over there, and he'll forget it. Should have let him see, but we don't have a ride. Whatever. Alright. I guess we could. It's not going to be like that we're taking it from him, but we have to go. I can't remember if I told you guys this, but I remember I'm going to get a new. Okay, I'm going to get a new camera soon, because I know no one likes this potato quality, and we also can't see the full TV. So my birthday's coming up soon, like probably in a few weeks. So I'm going to try to get one. Oh wow, there's some. Alright, got him down. Apparently so many are still here. Oh, there's more on here. I don't know where they're at though. Right there. Alright, it wasn't bad at pulling a pistol. Alright, friends are attacking E right now. I see them. They're in the vehicle, so I can't do anything about it. Like, I can't do that. I could try to use it. Alright, well, I'm not doing so well. Maybe we're gonna try this again. Maybe. Not in this video, though. Maybe like a whole new video. God, look at Amy. I thought he died. Not by me, but somebody else. Shocking. Alright, we should go for E, which is this way. Let's take this vehicle here. That's still good. Most likely they're going to be in the air. One air on top of buildings and me. That's what it be. I don't know why I can't shoot from there, though. Deal with it. Alright, looks like you won this. But I didn't do so great, though, which is sad. Oh well. I don't see why not. Alright, let's see how good we did. Which I don't think we did so great. I probably only got like 2 kills and died 20 times or something. Alright, and surprisingly we ranked 3rd. Alright, so we only got 3 kills and died 5 times. We could have done better, but I guess that's okay. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. There will be a next challenge soon. Remember, you can like post some challenges for me, and I'll try to post them in this video. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. And see you, Cast out.